To turn on or to enable the water lock on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is very simple. Now, water lock is a protective mode on your Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 or any Galaxy Watch that disables the touchscreen, always on display, or anything similar, and avoids any phantom touches from clothing or anything like that as you do your swimming workouts or if you're in water. It just disables all of that. If water somehow manages to get into the watch, it also does eject the water and it will play a loud sound before the water is ejected. So, in order for you to enable water lock, what you're going to do is simply just swipe down for the quick settings panel and then swipe between the different options until you find this droplet icon. Go ahead and tap on it like so. And once you do that, water lock should be successfully enabled. You can even see here the water lock sign has been put there, letting you know it's turned on. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.